A highly available application is an application that your end users will be able to get to, will have continuous service from, even if the host which is running it fails. An application is typically going to be a set of interdependent resources. There will be a program, and the program might be your Apache web listener. It might be your SMTP sendmail daemon. It might be your Tomcat Java servlet container. You've got the program that actually does the work. The program will usually require a listening address, a virtual host name and an address by which end users can connect to it. That clearly is going to have to move with the application. Also, most applications will require data. Your Apache web listener will require a file system with its library of HTML documents. Your email server will require a file system for the email storage. An application is useless without its address and its data. So when registering a highly available application with GI, we have to build in dependencies so that these items will move together. Having done that, we configure grid infrastructure to start, stop, and monitor the application, and, if necessary, relocate the application to a different machine in the cluster. There are some complications, of course. Some applications may require multiple instances. For your web listener, you'll probably want at least 2 Apache web listeners to do some load balancing and make sure that there is continuous service in the event of one occurrence of it having to be relocated. Sometimes you'll want resources to be co-located on the same machine. Sometimes you'll deliberately want them to be dispersed. But most importantly, the dependent resources have to move with the application, and the end users will have no idea where the application is actually running at any given moment. Their only point of access will be a virtual hostname resolving to a virtual IP address, which could be anywhere on the cluster.